Every great game you've ever played, from indie hits to massive titles, started as one thing: a prototype. A small, rough, ugly version of an idea, built just to answer one question: is this fun? That's the real power of prototyping. It's not about perfection, it's about discovery. When you start small, you give yourself the freedom to test ideas fast, to make mistakes, and to find what truly feels good to play. Think about it. Some of the biggest indie games ever made came from tiny beginnings. Flappy Bird was literally just tapping to keep a bird in the air. Celeste started as a simple mountain climbing challenge made in just 4 days, and Undertale began as a short experiment to test emotional storytelling through simple mechanics. None of these started with big budgets, detailed 3D models, or massive teams. They started with prototypes, small, focused experiments that proved the idea itself was strong enough to build on. And that's something every new game developer needs to understand. Don't chase polish first, chase playability. A prototype lets you find your game's soul, the moment-to-moment fun that makes people want to keep playing. When you test quickly, you learn quickly. You see what works, what doesn't, and what surprises you. Maybe your platformer feels better when you jump higher. Maybe your shooter is more fun when enemies move slower. These discoveries only happen when you're testing, not just planning. So if you're new to game development, forget about making something perfect on day one. Open Unity, create a cube, make it move, add a few obstacles, and see what happens. Because the truth is, your first version will never be perfect, but your 10th, that one might be brilliant. Every iteration gets you closer to that spark, the moment where your idea feels alive. And that's what makes prototyping so powerful. Start small, move fast, and don't be afraid to throw things away. Every unfinished project teaches you something valuable. And one of them will turn into the game you've always wanted to make. If you want to learn exactly how to do this, how to start simple, test fast, and actually finish your first few games, check out my 2D game development course in Unity. It's built for complete beginners, and we go step by step from idea to fully playable games. You'll learn how to think like a developer, how to prototype smartly, and how to turn simple mechanics into something truly fun. Remember, great games don't start big, they start simple. Your next idea might just be the next hit. You just have to build the prototype, link in bio.